Hello friends, today I will show you that how to make phone covers with paper like this. It is made with paper only and you can give it on any of the occasion, example Mother's Day or Father's Day. So let's begin.
Like this.
Like this.
Father's Day.
So first you have to draw like this the outline of the phone cover. Like this, and then we will cut it. So now I am cutting this. So now we will to cut this. We will be. So now I have cut this like this, and then we will draw some characters. Cartoon characters you can draw. So here I am drawing this Venus and Ferb to this. So first we will draw this and this and this. Now we will draw this and this. Now we will draw the neck. Now we will draw here the eye. Now we will be drawing from here and this for the ears and this and close. So now we will draw hairs. For drawing hairs we will draw first like this, 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 this and this, and it is over now. And here we will draw some hair. Now we will be drawing the shirt of Ferb. So first we will draw like this, then we will draw like this, and then we will draw the hands. And then we will draw like this. The same way here also. But there is change. Here we have drawn this and this. Here we will not draw line and the line triangles. Now we will be drawing one hand also. It is complete. Then we will draw the stomach. And the design of the t-shirt. Then we will draw the legs. And the shoes. So now we will drawing the penis. Now we will start drawing penis. For drawing penis, first we will draw a big eye. Like this. Then we will draw a triangle. This. And it is over. Now we will draw the teeth. Now the second eye. By the same way. Now we will draw like this. And we will draw the hairs. But first we will drawing like this. So now we will drawing the hairs. For drawing the hairs, we will do like this. And now we will be drawing the hands. In this drawing, we will be drawing this in triangular shape. Now we will be drawing the hand. And now we will be drawing the second hand. Now the stomach portion. For this we will draw like this, and we will draw the lines for the design of the shirt. Now we will be drawing the pant of the finish. For this we will draw like this first, this, and it is over. Now we will draw the legs. And a drawing over. Mama, color. Now we will coloring it. If you want to write anything, so you can write. Here I am writing super small. And here I am drawing a smiley. Now we will be coloring it with the black color. Here I am using black color. You want to use the black color, so you can use. Now we will be coloring the characters. Here I am using the pencil colors. Now we will be coloring the outer portion as black color. Now we will be shading the body of the characters. You can use any color. Here I am using the skin color. Now we will coloring the background as orange color. I am using watercolor. You can use any color. We have to color the whole white paper. If you have colored that letters that we have written, so don't worry. We will write names one more time after the coloring gets. Here is the final look of our phone cover. For assembling it, we will take a phone cover. We will be doing like this and it is attached. Thank you, friends. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.